Becoming a conscious parent was my greatest gift, not only to myself, but to my child. You know, as parents, we don't realize the influence and power we have in the ways we respond to our children. Our responses come from our belief systems. They come from our conditioning. And that's why I do this work, because I help parents become aware and conscious of what's going on in here, because that's what comes out of here, and that's what affects our children profoundly. So if you want to be a conscious parent, or you know someone who wants to be one, they should grab a copy of my book, The Parenting Map, because this book lays out step by step what we need to do as parents to become aware of our belief systems. You know, the other day I was with a client and she was telling me how she gets triggered. And her first thought, I asked her, what is your first thought when you get triggered? And her first thought is, I am a loser. So when you have that first thought that I'm a loser, obviously then you get angry with your kid for making you feel that way. In all these ways, we are unconscious of how our thoughts and our belief systems impact our parenting. And that's what this book is about. It lays out step by step how your thoughts impact your consciousness and your parenting. Grab a copy, The Parenting Map. Send it to any parent out there who needs it.